This is what an old wash and go looks like on my hair, and I believe this was day 5 hair, but I wasn't ready to wash my hair yet, so ponytail it is. And the first step is lightly spraying my hair with some water to revive the curls a little bit. And I'm just making sure my hair is slightly damp but not completely wet, because I want to keep most of the volume in my ponytail, so I'm just lightly spraying some water. To make sure my hair is moisturized, I use this Twisted Sister 30-second curl spray, and this is basically a very light leave-in spray, and it also smells super good. If you like the coconut smell, you are definitely gonna love this. Now I'm just spraying some of the curl spray in my hair, because even though I'm gonna put my hair in a ponytail, I still want to make sure my hair is moisturized, because we don't want no crusty, dry looking ponytail over here. That is not cute. So yeah, make sure your hair is well moisturized at all times. Then I take my reptile comb to make the part in my hair where I want it to be, and I went for this sort of swoop like part, so I'm just making sure the part is neat and my hair is laying the way I want it to. You also see me spray some more water, mostly focused on the base of my hair, just to make it easier to brush. And I want to make sure that my hair is laying as flat as possible on my head, because I am going for a sleek look. So I don't want to see any bumps and lumps, so I'm just doing a lot of brushing and smoothing. So yeah, just keep brushing your hair until it's as smooth as possible and laying exactly how you want the ponytail to look. Now it's time for the gel, and I am pretty sure everyone knows how to apply gel, so no need for me to explain this part. And I'm using this Gorilla Snot gel, which is in my opinion the best gel to slick back your hair. If you have used this gel before, you know that whenever you use this, your hair is not moving. I also took out my baby hairs in advance just to make it easier for me to lay them after tying my ponytail. my hard bristle brush, I'm just doing lots of brushing, making sure again that my hair is smooth and laying exactly the way I want it to. And I'm also using my little baby hair brush to lay the little front section a little bit better with a tiny bit more gel.
Up in your room once again, tempted. For me it's the truth, but I can't miss this. Don't tell my friends that I'm here.
Now time for a little baby hair, and I always look so angry while doing this. I don't know why, and I cannot help it, but yeah, just laying my baby hairs.
Maybe I'm the one to blame. Maybe I'm the cause of the pain. Waiting for you even how you treat me. You're my baby even when you leave me. Maybe I'm the problem and the one that's causing all of this. I can't say I love you no more, cause my friends gon' judge me for sure. Took some time but I realized do me wrong but it's right. I can't say I love you no more, cause my friends gon' judge me for sure.
Here I'm just spraying a little bit more water, again mostly focused on the top part of my ponytail that got a little bit frizzy while brushing my hair into the ponytail, if you get me.
Trust me, I do understand.
And I'm just fluffing my hair using my hands cause I don't want a flat ponytail. I like the volume, so I'm just playing around, and fluffing will help achieve that look that I'm going for. And the last step is just some argan oil and applying it all over my hair and the ponytail as well, making it look all shiny and pretty and put together.
My friends gon' judge me for sure. Took some time but I realized do me wrong but it's right. I can't say I love you no more.
So that is basically the end of today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys in next week's video. Peace.
I can't say I love you no more, cause my friends gon' judge me for sure. It took some time but I realized do me wrong but it feels right. Feels like I'm stuck.